Hello guys, today we're playing a game called Colony. And our goal is just to survive as much days as possible.
Kailangan 600, 600.
This is actually my first time playing.
Open.
It's a survival game it's actually a game about surviving zombie outbreaks. And I'm trying to survive as much as possible. Our captain is this guy. And we are getting started. I am just playing with a random, not my friend, okay? Okay.
Sabi nyo ay may kulang.
Where should we build our base? Yeah, I think I know where. I think we need to build it right here. The top of the mountain. We should place our base here so no zombie can get us. Let's put our base here so we can go ahead and then so actually and let's I did so the zombies are and I'm actually lagging. Wow.
700.
Let's try to actually what's this? Block tents. How much are you? Tents.
5,
6 batteries.
7.
You know what? Yeah, I will research on that.
7.
And for 70 bucks, let's try to build something for the zombies down there.
7. 12. 13.
Bro, what?
14. 15,
How is he flying?
16,
How is the NPC flying?
18.
Bro, why does the NPC in the game is floating? Why does the NPC are floating? Bro, they're literally flying!
29, 30, 31, 32,
I think we need to actually help them.
35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
Bro,
40,
why do I equip?
43, 44, 45,
What is bro actually building? I think.
Ano, alas? 5? Sunod 5? Alas, ate?
I think we should recruit some survivors because I think there are some here.
46.
I think where are some other survivors?
Ano, alas?
Is there any more?
Ate? Ha?
You know what? Yeah, let's just build.
Oy, 24 na ako.
What should we build? We have
24.
from defense.
50.
think let's just build a fort. Some fort walls because zombies are coming here and we need to make some I think we need to delete this. I think yeah, that's our only defense right now. You know what? Let's keep mining. I think one will be that. Then then builder. You know what? No. What if we just make them? Yeah. Just why don't they mine? Oh, finally, bro's mining. Affected coming. Oh, I thought bro leave the game.
Ate, tayo ko! Si mama. Tayo ko pa! Wow!
1 minute before the zombies coming.
Oh, pwede ko pa tanggal?
Yeah, let's build some more defense. Spear guard.
Bigla daw liit. Kuya!
Ah.
Nasira ni tayo.
Hindi yan talaga yan. Natatanggal yan. I think let's build a moat.
Ah! Patay! Asa sila?
Bro, I got scared because of bro.
Sabi atin papa, kuya ay open ilaw.
Keep mine.
Ha? Wala naman.
Uh-oh, they're coming. We need to go and quickly build more moat.
Promise?
I think we need to build shield man.
Lemon, kung
Yes.
sino nakakuha ng
Shield
dalawa,
man.
ay siya yung loser. No.
That is going to be our first soldier there.
Ate, ate, ay, may nakuha ay isa. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no, it's just
Sabi ko na, go! Kunin na atin.
and there are zombies.
Ate,
Bro, why can't I click it?
ano tayo makakastan dito?
On, let me click. I think we need to actually build.
Ganyan. Ganyan lang
It's
yan.
mine
Ate.
for some extra money.
Ganda o pangit? Ay, ganda. Ganda? Ikaw? Ganda, ikaw. Kaya pala, sabi ko pala, pangit ate. O clap pa din. Ikaw yan. Natulog ako lala.
You know what? Yeah, let's fight some zombies. Attack!
Ay, wet.
Come on, let's attack.
Ay,
Attack
sabi ko
these
lang,
zombies.
Kuya.
Bah, bah, bah. Come here. Bah, bah, bah. Let's kill these zombies.
Ate, balik ako. Bali ako, kuya.
Is that everyone? Oops, so. Yeah. What's this? Is this, no, it's nothing. I thought it was a food. You know what? Let's try to go ahead oh, nah. There was zombies here. You know what? Let's try to go ahead and get a farm.
Princess, ganito. Ayos ka pa eh. Magpapagalitan tayo. Ha? Papaluin tayo. Ano nga? Let's go. Hindi ko alam. Ayun ganito. Ha? Buksan mo ilaw.
We got 3Z. Let them mine. We need survivors. Yeah. We need to save up for farm. Yes, we need to save up for farm. Yun nga talaga yan. People. Let's ask him, money or people? People, yeah. Bro, saan na yung video? Ba't nawala yan? May isa yung screw eh. Ba't yan nawala?
Ikaw kasi,
Meet the shady trader when he comes. Necessary. We are getting stronger to survive night 2. We will mine for money. Yeah, for you. Yes, it's kinda true. But save up for farm. Ay, farm tuloy. I just said to him farm. Yeah.
Ito siya ay liit.
For food. Oh, nice.
Di ka ba takot kay Papa? Takot? Ba't mo ito nilawa? Nawala.
Oh.
Alam mo nga kay Papa ito eh. Ha? Asan nga
With our farm.
Shopee. Sobrang mahal nito. Paano ay bili niya?
Farm.
Yo! Magbibidyo-video ka lang?
Oh.
Tulungan mo kami maghanap nito. Ikaw talaga itadami namin.
Why is the hammer not doing anything?
Ate, ba't ganito ko siya? Ikot ay ganito niya.
Oh, I think the hammer is actually broken.
Ikaw talaga dadamay ko.
Bakit ba?
Tulungan mo na kasi kami. Wait lang. Hanap din ako.
Survivor. One farmer. Let's look. What's this? Wooden wall. Wall perhaps can be upgraded. Ceiling module. Ceiling look at foundation there.
Kuya!
Oh!
Tulong mo kami.
Hindi ko naman kasi alam kung saan naman yun eh. Wood cutter for 1.5. We need the water. Oh, there. Water pump. Okay, let's put a water pump. There. Oh, how can I place? Oh, I don't have enough.
Ate!
Oh, that's right.
Ate! Hello, Kitty pala. Ito hanap ko doon. Oo, nagiging. Ate. Untog daw kita.
Zombies are coming in 1 minute. Zombies are coming in 1 minute. Zombies are coming in 1 minute.
Maghanap. Hanap ko na.
Weapons.
Baka lang dito
How
lang
much? Oh,
hulog.
never mind. Don't have anything. Okay. Proceed, okay.
Ito ko na lang hanap.
Dang. That's actually the biggest build ever. What? Yeah, let's actually build some. What? Yeah, let's.
Bla, it's paper. Sa Manila.
Let's go. Wait. Oh, let's go. We can actually. Soldier, yay. Soldier, yay. Soldier, yay. Ito, yung cellphone ni Mama. Ulo? Yeah. Let's go. Let's help build the balls. Build the ball. Why can't I guess? How? I think we need to go ahead and then assign one job to this. Not yet. No soldier, huh? What? Wait, what? 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 I thought I placed a pistol man. What? I thought I placed a pistol man. Here. Pistol. We need men to mine to make money. Okay. I think we need lights. The lights are
Kanina ba nakatapat yung iklipan?
Wala, busugin mo. Kung man alam eh. I think we need lights. This is a light. Yeah, that's a light block. I think light blocks are the only one. Yeah, light blocks. Light blocks. Nice. Not yet. I'm coming to bro. We are not. The bro's not going to fight alone. Wait, where are the zombies actually? Can't see anything. Where the hell are the zombies? Oh, never mind. There are they. They are here. I'm going to kill them. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Let me kill you. Yeah. Where are the other two? Can't actually see them. Where are the other two? Where are the other two zombies? Where are the other two zombies? Oh, never mind. One is right behind. One is right me. Wait, never mind. You know what? Yeah. Oh, I think, yeah, let's pick the, no. Yay, I have a new friend. Wait, I just noticed, Roblox change connections to friend. Yay, finally, they listen to the community. Wait, are these not stone? Oh, never mind. Oh, Survivor! Yes, we got 2 survivors. Yay. Now we're back. We have nowhere else to go. We must survive night 6. Okay. But actually, no one comment the 2025 number that kids loves to say. Please don't. Even there is no 7, kids literally say it. Pistol. I bought a gun. Yeah, that's nothing. Well, that's mine.
Ito daw tao. Tapon lahat daw. Ito daw baturahan.
We have a lot of miners now. A gun! I have a gun. Oh wait, bro actually made a tunnel. Nice. You know what? Bro actually made a tunnel. Wow.
Yan naman niya mama. Ha?
Yo bro, you good? Yo, bro, you good? I think bro is AFK. I don't know if I want to tell him that he's in the video, but I think I should. I am just going to. I am going. I. What should I say? Bro, I am trying to make a video. You're on cam. You're on you're in my YouTube video. No, you can't type that in Roblox. Bro, I am a small content creator. You're actually in my vid right now. For real, my channel name is Cian Pixel Plates 2. My channel is Cian Pixel Plates Pro channel in YouTube is Cian Pixel Plate. Wait lang. Well, this is where the video ends. Bye guys.